Is there any form of God as like Lord Shiva holding Trishula and snake in neck? If you have seen God, then in which form have you seen? God is one. God is one. So when I say one, your question is Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu is. God is one and formless, all pervading. And now you will tell, what about Lord Vishnu, Lord Krishna? As is your attitude, as is your love, so is the manifestation. It is yours. Am I clear? That is also true. I am not telling there is no Krishna, there is no Shiva, there is no. Sugar is one. From sugar you can make candies of many different shapes, but all are sugar. How to prevent senses from taking over us? Your question is like, how to prevent my motor car running over me? How to prevent my motor car running over me? It is your motor car, you are to drive, and you are asking. The sense organs are just tools. This is an object, a matter. I keep it here. The sense organs are matter. Sense organs are just like this is here. I will tell my eyes to look at him or not to look at him. That's all. Be here or be here. You will tell, Swamiji, you are giving very simple example, but in reality it is difficult. It is difficult because you did not know how to use them. Nobody told you how to use them. So that has happened. And you misused them, you got tempted, and naturally you are attracted. Now you are telling, I am in trouble. Because you did not know how to use. You misused them without knowing properly. How we see number of gurus, now we see number of gurus and access to the holy books have increased. But we see a decline in human values. It is written, when Sukadeva started talking Bhagavatam, how many saints and sages assembled and he was talking. Again it is described, the numbers of saints and sages assembled in Naimisharanya, when Sutta Saunaka, they are debating, discussing on Puranas in millions. We don't find anywhere the gathering of millions, spiritual gathering. But spiritual gathering where there is discussion. Anyhow, it is, the world is changing in a positive way. The world has opened up in a very positive way. And there is positive change in the world, although there is visible decline in human values apparently, but there is undercurrent of increase in human awareness and goodness. Even if the man knows what is good and what is bad, but why many times he does the work which is not good, what drives him to do such bad karma? It is because of the past samskaras, past impression. And everybody knows what is right and what is wrong, but they do or choose wrong because their role model is Duryodhana. Their role model is Duryodhana in Mahabharata. There is a book, its name is Prapanna Gita. In Prapanna Gita, Duryodhana is telling, Janami dharmam nachame pravrutti. I know what is good, I don't have liking. Janamya dharmam nachame nivrutti. I know what is wrong, still then I am not getting rid of it. So this is the statement of Duryodhana.